tayo saan? Long Beach. Bili tayo ng pagkain ni Ace. Birthday niya. Birthday ni Ace. Okay, matagal-tagal tayong hindi pumunta ng Carson. Dito tayo sa Fiesta Grill, Mediterranean Restaurant, dito sa Carson. Ayan o. Ayan. Kebab.
The rice is together, but you can choose any of the plates.
So she said chicken and beef kebab. Which one is that here?
Chicken. For like how many people?
Order muna tayo para sa birthday ni Ace, Persian style. Dito sa my Carson.
Those are the bigger ones.
So number one is what?
Beef shish kebab, chicken shish kebab, boneless chicken kebab, and a beef.
They gave me
Ang Carson. Tagal-tagal na hindi nakapunta rito. Yung UCLA. Yung si Ate Minnie nag-work. Okay. Ano? Fish Grill. Fiesta Grill. Mediterranean Restaurant. Yung mga ano nila. Para sa birthday ni Ace. Habang naantay natin yung food ni Ace, dito tayo sa Superior Market tayo. Mga sampalok ko. Superior. Kan tayo kung may kambing sila. Yan, may chibo daw sila, goat meat, pero nasa loob. Ito mostly Mexican to, Spanish pagkain. Bilang ko Yakult. Yakult. Bili tayo ng pangpapaitan na lang na baka. Ito ready na to. Konti lang. Ay. Nag-decide akong kumuha ng chibo. 2 pounds lang. Yeah. 1 pound lang, mahigit. And yeah. Try. Yeah, just one. Yeah. Kala ko hindi 3 pa. And 1 pound here. 1 pound. O tayong mapapaitan.
Ese de abajo, ese y el de allá. Este. Ándale, sí.
Yeah. Yun, ayos na yun. Kilawin tayo. Superior Superior. Tripa, pangpapaitan, kambing, baka. Papaitan natin. Sabaw-sabaw. Okay, let's go. Kabili na tayo ng ano, pangpapaitan na baka, kilawin at konting kambing ito sa Superior, sa tabi ng ano, inorderan namin ng pagkain dito sa Fiesta Grill, Carson. Ayan o, Fiesta Grill. Okay, cool. Yan, yun na tayo dito sa Carson. Init. Ang Manilas Lechon. Manilas Lechon. Ayan. Yun tayo. Ganda ng bike niya. Sports bike. Init. Pero malamig.
Alam mo, namimili kasi nito yung mga... Actually siya, isa lang sana bibilin ko. Pagalitan niyo po siya kasi sabi niya, ibusin ko na. May birthday po kasi ako eh.
Ay, egg pie.
Ay, wala kami egg pie. May birthday kasi. Tamad na magluto. Eto yan ah. Nakahiwalay ko yun.
Birthday.
Kasi yung mga bumibili yung taga-UCLA, yung mga nurse doon, para pagbaon na bibili sila. Maraming nag-bibili. Morning lang ho kami gumagawa niyan until hapon. Wala po kayong pandesal? Meron. Yung hot? Na one meron. One.
Ano yung nakita mo?
Salamat. Birthday boy.
He's 26 now. He's almost 30. Yeah, that's 4 years from 30. Stop.
How old is he now? 24.
He's young. Okay, Mom. Sing happy birthday.
Pray for
And then, sing happy birthday. Yan na.
Wait, what happened? Pray for them.
Pray for it and then let's sing happy birthday.
Pray pa.
Everyone, close your eyes and bow your head. Dear Lord, thank you for this wonderful day. Today we celebrate Ace's 26th birthday. That you continue to bless him and you just bless him with money, wealth, and health. And that you're also with us today to celebrate with him. And I pray for the food that we're about to eat. Thank you to everyone that helped prepare and bought it. And yeah. Amen.
Amen.
Okay. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ace. Happy birthday to you. I can't record you, bro. There's an egg on my clip. Wait, tell Ace, please, can you hold it?
Bob blowing it?
Because I never recorded, but there was an egg. Happy birthday, like a tour, bro.
You wanna put it?
No, but I'm just saying it should be next to the salad. Okay, wait, this is the way!
I got it.
No, but Alex, she's like, no, she's like, look.
Ayun na.
Fuck, look at it, great. It looks
Ayun na. Enjoy this from Torrance all the way, 1 hour drive.
Oh, dang it. Oh, this is the one you went all the way there, Mom?
This is pancit from Gardena.
Yeah, bring it out like crazy.
it's fine.
Okay.
You don't like it? Quiz, hummus, eggs,
Yeah, like, the taro.
What day are you guys leaving for?
I love Adam Sandler. Oh, he's coming. He's with his dad right now.
Yung fishing.
Oh, yeah?